This 99-cent paint stick can save me from destroying a TPMS sensor during the dismounting process. Simple, just mark it on the sidewall of the tire where the sensor is located. This way, if you're using a shovel or other implement to unseat the bead, you're not going to be damaging the sensor because you know where it is.
What's with all this interference? You know, signal interference from a TPMS sensor is just like when you can't find your favorite radio station. But interference from a TPMS sensor, if you're trying to do a relearn, for example, could be caused by the TPMS sensor being blocked by brake components or even another set of wheels too close to the vehicle. And if you still can't find the problem, interference could be caused by accessories that are installed on the vehicle, like a cell phone charger or an alarm system. So don't forget to check for all those things.
As a technician, we hope the only thing we find inside a tire is air. But if a customer decided, I had a little bit of a leak and reached for a can of tire sealant to take care of that leak and didn't inform you, you risk the chances of that fluid getting all over the shop and all over you. Now, a lot of these sealants say they are TPMS safe. However, if they don't inform you, that's going to create more time on you because you're going to have to clean out that tire. You're also going to have to clean that sensor. And I would make sure that it works correctly after you install it.
For almost 100 years, tire technicians have been doing this exact same thing, lubricating the bead so it goes onto the rim itself. But with today's tolerances on some of the tires, getting the bead to seat when it's being inflated can be very difficult. One tactic, well, it is to lubricate the rim itself so the bead will set. But what if you accidentally got some of it on the TPMS sensor? Will it cause issues? Typically no. If you're using a specialty tire paste that is more or less kind of an adhesive in some ways, it evaporates and congeals, and it will also come out of the port itself due to centrifugal force. So just keep this in mind. Use a good tire paste that's designed for tires. Don't use soap, but make sure that you're lubricating this to get some beads to seat.